Okay, so do you know the biggest nightmare for any of the STI owners are? Especially if your STI looks like this, complete, clean from bumper to bumper, even the engine. So this customer got some codes regarding the solenoids on top, wall solenoids. We try to put one, the other one pops up. So when we check it out, the timing on this one, so that was jumped by tooth and a half. So you can see this cracks right here. So the belt is stretched out from a long time, and there are like multiple big cracks which you can't even see with your bare eyes unless you open the front of the engine. That's why we did it. So this customer almost spent like 26 grand on this one, probably like 9-10 months ago. They don't want to play with the engine. They want some complete OEM stuff done on their car. It's not tuned. It's a stock car, very powerful. So they want to go with a racing belt. Which is also from Subaru. It's an OEM belt. Let me tell you the difference. So we got here, right? That's the OEM belt, the one stretched right now with the cracks. So this goes somewhere around 100 to 150,000, as this car sits right here somewhere around 150. But the customer, they wanted to go with a racing belt, which is also from Subaru. And this is a complete different. So this is the OEM racing belt. If you see the Subaru series here, it's a made in Japan one, not the local ones. So we're going to make a complete timing belt kit, water pump, thermostat, idlers, tensioners on this one, everything on the racing series on this one. If you guys do have any of the STIs and you want the performance belt on the belt with a water pump, give us a call. We'll happy to help you. On to the next car. All right, so when you drive on the road, you have a fire spark coming out from your tires, any side. I suggest do not drive it. This thing happened to this customer. You see the caliper got seized on this side, and the plate was damaged due to one of the piston on the back. They roll out on the caliper. So right now, the back plate is damaged. It's stuck in the seized caliper, and we're going to change the caliper and the brake at the same time because the inner pads, they're almost metal on metal. If you guys hear any smoke, any kind of spark from your tires, we highly recommend to park it right away and tow it to a professional hands so they can take care of your car. And if you have the similar thing happen in your car, you can give us a call. We'll happy to help you out. Also, we're going to change the other side of the brake too, because if you have one caliper problem, highly recommended to put in a pair. You don't have to put all 4 brakes at the time. You can just put the rear ones, but put in a pair because even your shoes, you buy a pair of shoes. You don't put one side. So that's how the brake works and the tire works on the car. So this time we're going to replace a brand new rotors with a pad, one left side, rear left side caliper on this one. Everything comes in a 1-year warranty or 20,000 kilometers. We do have an option to buy extended warranty on the brakes too. It all depends how much you guys want to put in your vehicle, what kind of job you take from the vehicle. Either it's a commercial or it's a professional. So any of the similar jobs, you can book it up. Right beside me, we got this beautiful 2025 Honda CR-V with a 2-liter hybrid engine. Just to let you guys know, we already did 2 of the rebuilds from past year to now on specifically 2-liter hybrids. And these are the pretty common. They only long last somewhere around 250 to 300 clicks as the manufacturer problem. Whatever we did in the last time, when we pull out the last engine to rebuild the complete, there was again a head gasket problem right from the cylinder 3 to 4. The coolant was mixing. That is a bad head gasket. I don't know how it happens from a long time, almost from 2018. So if you guys do any of the hybrids, we have inventory for a head gasket specifically on hybrid 2-liter Hondas, Honda Accord, Honda Civic, or Honda CR-V. By the way, we did 2 of the CR-Vs from 23 and 2022. So if you guys do have the similar ones, you can book your appointment. We only have a 2 complete head gaskets, set off the bolts and everything needs the engine. So any of the similar inquiries, give us a call. On to the next car. All right, guys, so beautiful BMW 645, right, is ready here. It's a beautiful convertible car. Came in with a inner tire wears and a clinking noise from the front when we check it out. The front forward arms are most commonly on any of the BMW or Mercedes. We already replaced it. Also, we put the brand new rubbers in the front. So that is something the customer needed. They don't need any alignment for that. If you guys do have a BMW's, Mercedes, and you have the same problem when you brake it shake weirdly, the most common factor is the front forward control arms, specifically on the BMW, Mercedes, Dodge, Mustangs. They all built in the same way in the front. If you want a complete Lamforo parts or Miley parts, they are German-made parts. We have a large inventory. We're happy to help you out. On to the next car. Right beside me, we got this beautiful 2000. It's a Nissan Frontier, supercharged, very rare truck on Canada because it's originally from Florida. Came in here for a timing belt job, and we did a couple of water pump in this one, and a brake job, and a couple of other mandatory fluids. As this customer, they keep it as a toy. And this is up on the sale too. If somebody want to buy it, they can DM us. We'll give you the price on that. Customer demands for some crazy amount because have the newer wheels on this one. They just put it last year. And this truck is top-notch, up-to-date with all the fluid top-ups. Timing is done. Plus, the supercharge on this one is currently serviced by Mrik. So nothing you need to put it in for this truck to put it on the road. If you want it fun on this rear-wheel drive beast, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. We'll give you an exact price, what customer needs to sell it for. If you want it, give us a call. Thank you.